Good day, I'm Samantha Allen and this is your JIS News for Thursday, March 13. Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller says Jamaica will continue to engage with its Latin American partners for mutually beneficial development support. While speaking with JIS News in St. Vincent and the Grenadines this week, Mrs. Simpson Miller said the recently concluded summit of the Community of Latin American and Caribbean States was important to that process.
It's a very important meeting. Discussed a number of issues that can impact our region and certainly impact Jamaica.
The Prime Minister was in St. Vincent for the 25th intersessional meeting of the Conference of Heads of Government of CARICOM.
All the issues on the agenda, they were of critical importance to our region and to our people. And I am into being involved in any discussion that can impact the lives of our people in a positive way.
Among other things, the CARICOM heads discussed the use of marijuana for health purposes, climate change, regional economic issues, and information and communications technology. The Ministries of Education and Science, Technology, Energy and Mining on Tuesday sealed a deal which will ensure that 37 learning institutions are equipped with tablet computers for the upcoming academic year. The two ministers signed the contracts totaling $800 million with 4 technology solutions companies for the Tablets in Schools pilot project.
These suppliers represent a range of solutions, including devices, accessories, device management solutions, and services such as tracking and content control.
One of the things that the government which we serve is adamant that we must have and cannot be postponed is the opportunity for a world-class education.
The one-year pilot project will be administered in 13 primary schools, 6 all-age and junior high schools, 11 high schools, 6 infant departments, 1 teachers' college and 1 special education institution. Following a review of the pilot, the $1.4 billion Tablets in Schools project will be rolled out across the island, targeting 600,000 students and teachers. Meanwhile, information and communications technology ICT systems valued at over $4.6 million have been bought for several parish councils. The project is being implemented by the Jamaica Social Investment Fund and is financed by the World Bank and the Government of Jamaica. Desktop computers and related equipment and software will be installed at the St. Catherine, St. James, Clarendon and the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Councils. Local Government and Community Development Minister Noel Arscott says this is important to the modernization and reform process at local authorities and will improve the developmental approvals process using the Amanda software.
This advanced technology is designed to speed up the application process, but not only to speed up the process but also to make it transparent so applicants can know at the click of a mouse where in the system the application is.
Work under the project will be completed in about 2 months. As government continues to leverage private sector skills and resources as a catalyst for economic growth, the Development Bank of Jamaica, the DBJ, has pledged its support for the effort. DBJ Chairman Joseph Matalon says the bank is committed to ensuring that the current public-private sector partnership program is undertaken in a sustainable manner.
Projects will take time to be properly developed as we ensure that proper checks and balances are in place to avoid the risks of fiscal exposure and to ensure that viable investment opportunities are pursued.
Mr. Matalon was speaking during the first ever PPP conference put on by the DBJ, the British High Commission and UK Trade and Invest. He said the DBJ had been carrying out a targeted sensitization campaign since December 2013 at some ministries, departments and agencies of government in a bid to identify suitable areas for public-private partnerships. Training and capacity building sessions have also been ongoing with an even larger program planned for April 2014. And finally, Jamaican females are being encouraged to draw on their own strengths and be courageous about the responsibility and potential of leadership. The call came from the Scotiabank Group's president and CEO, Jacqueline Sharp, as she gave the keynote address during an International Women's Day conference and expo held on the Uemuna campus.
Work at removing any self-imposed barriers. Have confidence in your abilities. Have courage to go into uncharted waters. grow your capabilities, and create and pursue your vision. Let us be inspired by those of us who have demonstrated that we can give effective leadership in all spheres for the growth and development of Jamaica's society.
The Scotiabank president and CEO used the occasion to hand over a check worth $100,000 to the Women's Resource and Outreach Center's Homework Center. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Samantha Allen. Thanks for watching.